In this video, we're gonna look at the Alpaka Aero Pack 16 liter. It's a super lightweight, small EDC backpack at 16 liter, and I should tell you right away, it's a banger. So first we will see the fit on male and female, then we will have a quick tour of the bag. After this, we will see what fits inside, then we will talk a little bit about the pros and cons, 3 pros, 3 cons, then we will measure the specs of this bag, and to finally tell you if you should buy it or not. Let's go! A quick tour of the bag. So first you see the color, it's black. You only have black at the time of this video. What you have here on the outside is the harness system, no stand-up strap right here. The padding here is directly with the Axle Flux 210G. You have a luggage pass-through here. You have some strap keepers, perfect. You have some pockets, so we will see here you have a side pocket like Alpaka likes to put, very flat. You can put it here and you can access it when you swing the bag around, so it can be a quick access pocket, but only for small items. On the front here you have nothing, but you have this front top pocket here, and you have a key leash like standard Alpaka magnetic key leash. And the pocket, it's pretty simple, pretty plain. It's gray in the interiors. I think the pocket is really useful here, nothing else here. And you have a top pocket, which I love from Air backpacks and other packs. So this is really awesome. You see it's very nicely soft inside. You have a handle that is quite good actually. I didn't talk about it, but the straps are a little thin, but since the bag is super lightweight, 700 grams they say, and I think it's even lighter than that, but we will see it in the spec part of the video. Now to the main compartment. I just put this to fill it. What do you have inside? You see here the top pocket, so the back of the top pocket. You have a laptop compartment. This is super soft here, and it fits quite big laptop, I think. We will see it in the what fits inside. Here you have a pocket like this with a mesh that goes up to here, okay? So you can put some little bits and pieces for your laptop, for example. You have an internal water bottle pocket, no outside water bottle pocket, but this one, we'll see it with the water bottle right after. And here a pocket here that is quite like this, and it goes up to here, and then you have the main compartment and you can put all the rest here. It's a very nice layout. I really like it. I like the fact that it's super light. And yeah, that's it for the quick tour. Now let's go to what fits inside. What fits inside, let's see. So I have right here the Black Ember Citadel Air-Free 20 liters that I'm testing right now. So the video should be out at some point. And so my EDC is right here. I will transfer it into this bag and see if it's a good fit or not. So here I have on the quick access top pocket, quite nice. I have a phone here. I have some little bits and pieces like this. Let's transfer them to the pocket here. The phone, I don't really know where I put it. Let's see. So I will transfer everything here. And the phone, I will put it here in the front pocket. Right here, okay. Nice. Then here I have some things like my card to access work, but I don't need to change it right now. We have the main compartment here. I have some field notes, nice. I have, of course, the laptop. I have some headphones. I have a small umbrella. And I have here all the gear, like all the charger, 100 watt anchor, then some little dongles, a mouse. And I think I have a little bit more also here. I have a Peak design. I have some clothes, and that's quite enough. Let's transfer everything into this one. First of all, the laptop. So the laptop, as you can see, it fits 16-inch Dell laptop, and it fits quite nicely here. I have a gaming laptop, so we will also try it and see if it fits better or not. Then in the main compartment, I can put my clothes here, like this. I can put a small umbrella. If I don't have a water bottle, maybe I can put it here, but now I will put the water bottle. Where do I put my field notes? My field notes, maybe it likes a little sleeve here for the field notes, so I will put the field notes next to the laptop here. Then I will put all my cables and everything, I will put them here in the mesh pocket on the front with the dongles and with the mouse. Let's put everything inside like this. And then I will put my headphones here, and I will put the Peak design, I think I will put it here. Yeah, that's quite nice. And then the water bottle into the water bottle pocket on the side, like this. So that's quite a nice load, as you can see it well here. And I have still some more space here, so that's quite nice. And if I close it, that's how it looks, quite nice. So I have access to my phone here, and I have access to my little things on the top, and I have access to my laptop here and all my gear. Some people like to have a separate dedicated laptop compartment. This is not the case, but then you have one more pocket. And here you have everything, and the water bottle is very well placed like this, so it shouldn't fall and put water on all your gear. It's quite nice. Now let's check if my gaming laptop also works for this or not. And as you can see, you have very nice access. If you do this, you can really fit your laptop inside, which is super nice. I'm not sure it will fit. Let's see if it fits. This one is bigger. And actually, it fits. It's a little hard, but some bags, it doesn't fit. Here it fits. No, it's not so hard to enter it. I mean, it's at the limit, but it works. And then I have my gaming laptop inside here, which is just awesome. This bag is really awesome. Just you can see the corners a little bit because the laptop is quite big, but it fits. So big 15.6 inch laptop, it fits. If you want the dimensions, let me know in the comments. I will tell you the dimensions of this laptop. And then you also have the back pocket here to put some flat things, so maybe some headphones or something. Quite nice. And you have these loops. I don't really know what they are for, but you can hang some things here. So really good. It fits all my things and even more. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this pack. So 3 pros, 3 cons. We'll begin with the cons. 3 little cons. I think it's quite a good backpack, so I don't have so much cons. But the first one is no external water bottle pocket. If it's something you really want and it's always practical for versatility, this is not for you. This is for sleek EDC. Yeah, for EDC like this, I think it's okay to not have a water bottle on the exterior. But if you want a more versatile backpack, then this one maybe is not for you, if inside is not okay for you. Then the second con is a no stand-up strap. I know it's a super light backpack and we'll see it in the spec part, but I really like to have a stand-up strap even if I don't wear it always, or I can just remove it. Here you don't have this option. I don't really know why they didn't do this. It would have been kind of the perfect bag with this, but anyway, that's how it is. And the last one is not really a con. It's at the moment, since it's a brand new bag, it's only available in black, but that's Alpaka's strategy. If this bag is working, if they sell a lot, then they will maybe put green and maybe other colors if it's really a bestseller bag. Then on the pro side, I have 3 pros. So the first one, of course, obviously, it's super light, 700 grams, and I measured it at 600 grams even, so it's super light. Many baggers will love this bag. The second pro for me is a great organization. It may be not the case for everyone, but for me, I think it's quite good. I just like maybe a sleeve here to put my field notes. That's the only thing I couldn't find inside here. All the rest is okay for me and it's quite good. So yeah, organization wise, for a slim light backpack like this is very good. And then the last pro, I think, it's the super reasonable price. You can see it on the link below, but the price is super reasonable for what it is. I really like this offering, and at this price point, it's quite good. If it's still a little high for you, I have, of course, my 15% discount code and link down below. Okay, now let's talk about the specs. So first of all, 700 grams, the same. So let's see, I will hang it. And it says 600 grams, which is 1.3 pounds. I know this measurement tool is not so precise, but yeah, it's at least less than what they say, and it feels less even than 700 grams. It's super light. Then on the dimension part, they say it's 44 centimeters in height. Let's check it out. 44, yeah, it's perfect. It's even maybe a little less if you do something like this. It can even be 43 centimeters, which is 17.5 inches. Then on the width side, they say 29 centimeters, which is about the case if you do something like this. It depends where you place it. If you place it here, yeah, it's about 29 if you do something like this. If you don't do something like this, maybe a little bit more than 29, but it's about right. And it's 11.4 inches. And then on the depth, they say 15 centimeters. It of course depends on how you pack it. Right now it's empty, so it will not be 15, but 15, yeah, I think it's pretty okay. And 15 centimeters is about 5.9 inches. Then on the volume, they say 16. Maybe Alpaka says a little bit more always, but I think it's pretty much 16, yeah. Then you have only black at the time of this video, but of course after, if it works, they will release other colors. It's Axoflux 210G. It's an in-house material from Alpaka, and it's 210G, so it's quite light. Now, should you buy it? Well, it depends on what you need. If you need a small EDC carry for your laptop, a water bottle on the inside, and other everyday gear, and you like lightweight, great gear, then definitely yes. It's clearly a win, this bag. I don't have so many cons. I think it would have been a perfect bag for the price point with a stand-up strap and other colors. At this price point, it's definitely complicated to recommend something else with this build quality and everything. Of course, there are better bags in this range, and we will just check them right now. Better on some ways, not so good on other ways. So if you need an external water bottle pocket and you can put a little bit more into the price, you have, for example, this, the RCT Pack 2. Here in X-PAC, you have a water bottle on the side, and the build quality is maybe quite better, but it's about 2 times the price, I think, and it's heavier than this one. Then you also have the one that I'm testing right now, but you don't have an external water bottle pocket. It's 20 liters, so a little bit more, and it's the Black Ember Citadel Air-Free 20 liter in black. It's quite good also. I'm still testing it and seeing the rest, but the padding here is better and everything, but it's heavier also, so it depends on what you need. The last one I will talk about is maybe this one. This is a brand new thing. It's the Ad1D. It's a brand I just discovered, and it's a little bit more. I think it's 22 liter, and it's about the same in price. You have X-PAC all around here, no X-PAC here, and yeah, you have quick access here and 2 water bottle pockets, which is super good. So check it out also if you want something in the same price, a little bigger, and with external water bottle pocket. I will have the link down below, and it will come to review soon enough. So that's about it. This video was about the Alpaka Aero Pack 16 liter, and I really like it. If I need to give it a mark, I think I would give it a 9 out of 10. Considering the price, it's awesome. If you remove the price, it's maybe not the best bag in the world, but it has a lot of potential. If you consider the price, it's quite good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, ciao.